all of you who actually in the poll said they haven't started planning yet, please do that. Because I would say the consumer started their research and evaluation. So while it's fine to say I'm going to spend a large part of our money once festival starts, their research and evaluation for high involvement products is already on. So for all you marketers there, all you agency friends there, this is a time to reap benefits from all the audiences that you have primed over this time frame, right? So basically, don't try to do too many jobs, be very single-minded and focused. When it comes to consumption trend, culturally, community, and that's the sort of content we see picking up. So if you're trying to put your money behind content, you'll see that happening. You'll see a lot of vernac. You'll see people feeling very closely knit. There's a certain way of celebrating a festival. So we see all that really rising.
So what we also see as trend is that a lot of people actually are doing up their homes pre-Diwali. So a lot of our buying actually happens in the season lead up for some categories like fans and lighting. But you do have impulse purchases that happen for our festive lights and for some of the small appliance categories during the festive season. In the pre-build-up, which is the 3 months prior to festival, we do a couple of things. So all our new product launches, we would like to put them in shelf for consumers somewhere around July and August. And people do look for new products, because when I looked at your presentation, also an interesting trend around, increased premiumization and higher ASP. You're looking for newness. It's not just about higher ASP. It's also about an upgrade of my lifestyle, upgrade of my home. And hence new products make a lot of sense.
What we are seeing as early signals of the consumer intent is through July and even the recent Independence Day sale that has happened and everything, there has been an easy 30% increase in most of the major categories, like the big categories that drive the sale period, which gives a very strong signal towards the festive season. The other trend we have seen is India is completely now open to explore new brands and new categories. So I do think that discovery is massive in the pre-consideration phase. So if you have unique products or niche products which you thought was not suitable beyond a certain cohort of audience, and this is the time to educate and to start going into adjacent categories to drive new to brand and also new to category is also possible in